dumb. YouTube is just being dumb. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Gotta get the camera working, bear with me. There we go. Alright. So. Yes, AUX script photo 2. Yall -9. 2207. Yeah, G photo 2. Hello. That one. And then one followed by that. Hello. Hope you're doing well today. I am now indeed live. There we go. Hey, hey, hey. Just need to get Discord open. Hope we're all doing well today. Anyway, hope we're all having good days and all that. Jazz and all that jazz. Hope we're all having a fantastic one. Right, so uno momento por favor whilst I post this in one more place. Right, so hello. Vit manager. There we go. Yeah, I know that won't connect to that one because that's what I set it to. And then what I want to do is prevent this from having a rave. The first available opportunity to have said rave, and go window capture X composite, that one, swap that out for that, so there's no more rave. There's no more rave happening. Hello, Peter. Hello, Mr. Peters. How do you do, sir? Howdy. Howdy. Yeah. Good. It's good you're doing well. I am not looking forward to work tomorrow because temperatures are not fun. They are not fun at all. Oops. What up? Yeah, I'm not looking forward to going back to work in 30 plus. Well, anywhere between what, 36 and 42 I've worked in now. 41, 42. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. And that's on that line alone. Yes, I think I do. I should move that and then pop you out to here. And then that's for the yall. Hello, Pancake. Welcome along, Pancake. Big boy planners, yes. Need to fix that font. Also, I need to put my rings on because I feel naked without them. As you do, Peter. As you do when you buy one, you have to buy the other. Okay. Alright, I'm just putting my rings on because I feel naked without them on. I've been working outside all day. So that's why they weren't on. There we go. Ooh, that's annoying. That's expensively annoying. Right. What am I doing? First things first, we're checking networking. Oh, fuck. You would think so, Peter. You would think so. Oh, that's good then. Is that it? What did I do to fix this? What did I do? Oh my god, not this again. What? This isn't... It hasn't. Oh my god, this happened last time. So I actually went back into the operating system last time around. Just to see, and... Okay, so I shouldn't be able to see that. I shouldn't be able to see the Symlink stuff. Hmm. Thank you. Yeah, well, here's the thing. Oh. Hold on. ENP8S0. Hello, Miss Love. How you doing, my friend? How you doing, sir? Cat. Oh, I've got to change that to ENP8S0, don't I? I'm having torture with networking stuff again. It's DNS's fault. It's DNS's fault. It's the only thing I can explain. Oh, god damn it. Right, copy that to ENP8S0.link. Then system CTL restart system D networked. CTL status system D networked. It probably does. It probably does. What the fuck did I do last time that fixed it? I genuinely cannot remember what I did last time to fix it. Link up. Oh, yep. Vim in BS0. Why did I... You know what? This is probably going to fix it, knowing me. And then system CTL restart system the networked. Then system CTL status system D network. You know what I don't have installed? I don't have Network Manager installed. Ah, yes. Get rid of the so Vim 10 and then 0. Yep, there we go. Fixed it. That's what it was. Yay. Entirely reasonable speed. Entirely 100% reasonable speed. Right, so before I go any further, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save a screenshot of the machine. Or do I need to? For now, no I don't, because that's set up. Thank you for the help, Pancake. Right, that works. So we've got a choice of what we can do. We can try and go down the path of installing a desktop environment again. I think we should do. I think we should try that. But I also do want to change a couple things. I just want to see about changing startup files. No, not that one. ETC issue. So you know what? Let's see if I can't find it. No, don't. Package manager for LFS. That's not. From what I can see, no, not really. NVD's LFS Pac-Man thing works for I made the system. Something like Pac-Man would be amazing, or at least something since the AUR and that dependency stuff. Package manager. Oh, hello. So okay, right. We have our intention. We're going to install the package manager this time round. First off, I want to look at the issue stuff first, because I know exactly what it's going to be now. So, oh, you poor sweet summer child. It gets worse. So, I'm so, I'm so sorry that came off so condescending. I'm so sorry that came off condescending, Ben. At work, I have to deal with 41 degrees Celsius temperatures, which, if memory serves me correctly, somewhere around about 113 Fahrenheit. It's not bad. 105.8 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what I have to deal with. I'm so sorry. That sounded so condescending. I'm so sorry. Hello, Elfex Dolberg. How are you doing? To answer your question, yes, to answer your question, Pancake Sparkle, Le Pancake. It is going to be LFS package builds. So there is a how-to, and there is also a install manually. I'm so sorry. I really didn't mean that to be condescending. It's just I've had to deal with that for work for 12 hours at a time, and it's not fun. The coldest the break room has been is 30 degrees Celsius. The warmest I've had to deal with at work is 41. It's not fun, and that's for 12 straight hours. 30 degrees feels significantly colder in comparison to 41. I'm so sorry. I really didn't mean that to be condescending. Oh. I don't blame you. Right, so what we're going to indeed look at is, it is a package manager made by Keith D. Hedger. Well, I have a video on that, if you want to watch it. It's actually one of my more popular videos, if you'd like to watch it. Right, okay, so I need to check the how-to. Now the question is, when was this last updated? So it's currently in the branch 12.0 as it is the default branch. That's fine. That's not quite as 12.1 is the most recent, but LFS scripts and then how to system debuild, and then where's the how to? There is no, oh, there's the how to. Okay, so we assume the LFS partition is mounted in MNT LFS using as swap alter as needed, use sudo where necessary. If compiling, okay. This is expecting me to have started this in no problem. Yeah, small problem. I can't do LFS package builds because it expects you to have done it during the build process of Linux from scratch. So I can't do it. Apparently Pacman's easy to install. Oh, scratch package from Venom. Let's have a look. Scratch package, shall we? Scratch. I need. Scratch package. Help I can spell scratch. SCRATCH. PKG. There we go. It's also on GitHub as well. Venom Linux package manager for Venom Linux. It's build script sourced by package build to build a package. An example of that. Note, when creating new packages, it's recommended to use a fake root first to make sure the build script is not broken, and leave untracked file inside system. Package options, etc. Package add, package del, scratch. Okay, I will get lab. Nope, nothing there. Venom Linux. Venom Linux. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Didn't the guy who makes Venom Linux... Hold on a minute. Doesn't the guy who watches Venom Linux watch these streams as well? Because I remember him commenting last time round. Holy shit! Holy fuck, I've just realised that. I'm sorry, pardon the language, but holy fuck. Whew. Yeah, I just had to. Sorry, I just had to get that out of my system. I just had to get that out of my system. I hope he pops along again today. It would be nice. Minimal as possible. Where is... It's only showing GitHubs for these two. If projects... By the way, Max, projects moved on Codeberg here. Okay. So... Updated 4 hours ago. Okay. What about the package manager? Release page, our slide by ISO. Wayland. Right. Screw it. Let's try and install Wayland this time. But first we need to fix this font issue thing I'm having with ZFS. Because as you can see here, for some reason it's having a character issue. Now, it could be entirely down to the fonts. And that's entirely 100% possible. It's OMI ZSH to be precise. ZSH, yes. Why did I really say ZFS? Okay, yeah, that's cool. Thanks, Brian. Isles. No, I wanted Nemo, not Nautilus. Right, config. No, it'd be ZSHRC, there we go. Where is font? No, okay, where is it? Oh, you know what I haven't done? I've changed the wrong file. I actually put that on GitHub. Well, there it is. I know it's basically 100% stolen from thing, but I actually made change. I actually put it on my GitHub. Vim. I have no idea if this is correct or not. I've got no idea if this is the one you've got or not. I can't remember. Next term color, reset the following, surrounded by 2 delimiter, ZH styles. So hang on. ZSH on Powerline fonts. Okay, so I need Powerline fonts. That's fine. Repatched and adjusted fonts usage Powerline status line plugin. At least I think it's Powerline. Hold on. I think it's Powerline. Yes, I am trying to fix the weird fonts. Scratch package. It's not showing up. Can you DM me, Ben, because it's not appearing in YouTube chat. Meslo LGS. Okay, so Meslo LGS. Where is Meslo LGS? Okay, let's go download it. Meslo LGS. I'm guessing it's Meslo LGF NF regular TTF. Diddles. Level 10k. Automatic font is. I love how you said, yes, this is the font you need. Also, it's right. I've also found it at the same time. So QA clear. Now what I want to do is, do I have Git installed? Yes, I do. Thank fuck. Okay. Okay, so let's go to code. No features works. No, most bugs go unfixed. Help requests will be ignored. For ZSH. Yeah, okay. Installation. For my ZSH. So clone the repository. So okay, so clear ls cd.dot my cd home. Now what I want to do is do git clone https no depth what equals 1 https://github.com/row/romkatv/power level 10k git $ curly brace zsh custom dash $home /o my ZSH /custom curly brace. Thank you, Ben. And then /theme/power level 10k. So ls. Okay. So cd, and then what I want to do is vim.zshrc, and then set ZSH theme. Where is ZSH theme? Would you like some bitrate with your text? Set words, characters. Do not consider certain characters as part of the word. Correct mistakes. Bind key, configure key bindings, enable completion features. History, alias force, time, font, and real user assistant and CPU. Xterm, prompt, force, color, yes. Color, configure prompt, no. Unsec, color prompt, no. Syntax highlighting, that's a lot of syntax. If Debian true, online prompt, no. Terminal, Xterm, no. Pre-CMD, no. Enable color support, which is already enabled because yes, color support looks nice. Aha! This is where I need to add this. So alias. Make flags equals -J30. And it is that. Add that in anyway, because for some reason it wasn't remembering that. Okay, so Where the hell is ZSH theme? Where are you, ZSH theme? Auto CD. Interactive comments. No, I do not. No match. Hide the error message if there's no match for the pattern. No match. Kind of funny. Flash. Nope. I am hitting slash. Nope. Ah, there we go. And then ZSH underscore theme. Fuck. Slash ZSHT. Let me look at my ZSHRC file. You tab CD slash CD and cat all ZSHRC. Yeah, I will. I just need to figure out where I need to add it. That's all. Okay, so hist file, alias history 0. No. Vim.zshrc slash zsh theme does not exist in mine either. Near the top. After export zsh on my... Oh, right, okay, so... The auto, hide... So slash zsh equals slash user. The fuck? Okay, near the top after export zsh equals user share of my zsh. Ah, right, wherever it loads itself. So I've now got to find that. So history configuration zsh history. Debian chroot xterm force color prompt. 2-line, no, 1-line backtrack. Following, enable syntax highlighting. More of that again. I honestly don't know. Well, I installed it and you watched me install it. Ha! Ah, right. Vim .zshrc. I think I know what that is. That'll be that. Right, well, there's ZSH, cd.zshr. Oh my. And then yes, I did run ZSH. ZSH. Why aren't you working? Oh, sick, this was working the other day. Yeah, I did. That's the thing. I did use that thing. Yeah, I did. I use Oh My ZSH because it looks nice and I like the way it looks. I've installed it on my own system. I haven't uninstalled it since because it works most of the time. Emphasis on most of the time. We'll see. There it is. Yeah, I'll run it again. /install. Do I need to exit out? Okay. Oh my ZS. Right. So cd / cd home. Okay. Right. So sh-c quotation mark $. Is that a brace or a regular brace? That's a brace. So brace %s lowercase s capital L https fs capital S capital L https raw.github user-contents.com/oh my zsh oh my zsh /master tools install.sh. That one. Syntax error, unexpected token. Yes, I did an oopsie and did brace, non-brace. Okay, so you'll need to remove if I want to reinstall. Fuck it. So cd home. Right. Oh, yeah, hang on. Hush, I'm a dum-dum. There we go. Okay, so cd, and then @.zshrc. There we go. So vim.zshrc. Finally, it works. Now, if I drop in my config file, Theme command. Ah, yes, that's right. Think about that. So theme command, where are you? Right, so that's if it remembers it, which it does not. Button. Git clone depth 1 equals 1. https:// github.com github.com/romkatv /our level 10k dot git space $ race ZSH custom colon hyphen $ home /o my ZSH /custom brace /theme /our level. Okay. Okay. So vim.zshrc. No. Vim.zshrc. And then change ZSH theme to insert. Thank you. Power level 10k /power level 10k. Huh? What do I even do this? No, I know. Yeah, so you know how I break things constantly for no reason? For no explainable reason at all? This is that. What the fuck? Oh. Ha. Oh, my ZSH theme power level 10k /10k could not be found. Why is it in the oh my ZSH? I will go check the config folder. pwd, and then cd .config. Huh? Huh? Oh my god. No, like I can just go mip. And then mip. Oh, I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. Want to know exactly what it is? CD custom. Right. So, there's two folders here. Themes and theme. Themes, lowercase s. Well, themes, theme with an S. CD themes. does not have the thing in it, but cd theme does have the thing in it, meaning it was put into the wrong fucking place. Copy to dots, yeah, with the slash to // themes. So now if I do ZSH, let's go with one class, concise, yes, verbose, yes. What? No. No. Right, okay. Fonts, where are they? I don't like where that is. I don't like where that is. However, I like that it moves down. And it also includes the time. However, I'm not exactly a great fan of it. Ah. Okay. Okay, Peter, I will. You have good sleep, my friend. Oh. Where the fuck is fonts at? It'd be in config, would it not? No, it would be there. Memory serves me correct. I made a mistake. I made a huge mistake. I made a huge mistake. Not sure I should have done that. I'm not sure I should have done that. Oh no. Yeah, local share fonts. Okay. I was gonna reference my own system there for a second. That's right, I don't have a .local. Why don't I have a .local? Why don't I have a .local? Do I have a .fonts in .local? No. Home. The fuck? Right, there's cd user local shit. I'm gonna immediately hate this. Okay. I'm having so much fun. Yeah, there is no fonts file. Yeah, there's no fonts. Hmm. mkatv/power level 10k media /raw master mes low lgs then 20 nf percent 20 regular dot reg ular.ttf. ls hyphen la / user / local. Yeah, there's no font there. Strange. That is strange. $20 NF 20 bold. I'm guessing that's bold italic and then bold italic, or is that BI? So it's 20 italic. So ITALIC, and then NF 20 bold. So NF or 20 NF 20 bold percent 20 ITALIC dot TTF. Well, there's me ducks, not ducks, penguins. Well, high fetch still works, which is fine. But what the fuck's going on? FC cache FNFB. FC-CACHE space -FV. You know what? I think font config might be missing somehow. Ah, it is. Which means I need half buzz. For half buzz, it is recommended. Oh my god, I want to shoot myself. Oh my god. We're going down this path again. Recommended. Go object introspection 1.78.1. Also for half buzz, it is recommended glab 2.78.4 required for Pango, Graphite 2 required for building text live 2023-0313, or LibreOffice 24.0 or 24.2.0.3 for system half buzz. ICU-74.2 FreeType 2.13.2 after half buzz 8.3 is installed. Reinstall FreeType 2.13.2. Oh my. Right, this is why I need a package manager. Do you see why I need a package manager now? I'm gonna start crying. For fuck's sake. Oh god. Right, here's a Scratch package. I'm going to try and install Scratch package. Yeah, I've got it up now. I'm currently looking at it because suddenly my face went bright. Okay, where are we? CD cd home. Code. With HTTPS. Git phone https://gitlab.com/venom linux/scratch package.git. Must have then entered that in wrong because I did, because that's, you know, it would help if I could spell correctly, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. Ah, bother. Right. Before we do anything else, I'm going to create a snapshot of the virtual machine. So if it breaks, it's safe. Scratch package. This was done right before the install of Scratch package finish, because I don't trust myself to not break my system. Again. So chmod +x install.sh /install. I can't tell if I installed it or not. I genuinely can't tell if I installed it or not. Okay. Scratch sync. Okay. Scratch search Brain catch up. Let me think. What? Right, desktop. Let's choose a desktop, shall we? What was it? Not that. It was. Yeah. So Scratch install font config. No fucking way. No fucking way. No way does this work straight off the batch. Straight off the batch, because yes, I make total sense. And then vim scratch package dot repo. Ah. Try again. Package database directory does not exist. Ah. What do you mean by cd var lib scratch package? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I do not know what is going on. I also can't see the entire message as well, which makes things significantly harder. Right, cat. Hold on, right. What do I need? What else do I need to do for scratch package? Move. Right, so let's see what it's looking for. So, yes, cd slash var lib cd scratch package. Oh. Make directory scratch package cd scratch package c make directory db. Oops. And then what the fuck? What am I missing? What am I missing? Yes, so grep var lib scratch package db. Right, fuck it. rm-rf d. Well, cd scratch package. rm-rf db. Yeah, I did do -c. Ah, okay. That would make more sense, wouldn't it? Yes, of course it would. Why do you ignore the dash? Oh. Fuck. Why? Right. Z lib. Yes. Scratch sync -c. Like, I'm not a I'm not imagining this, right? Like, this is genuinely failing. And I'm telling it to ignore the failure. Okay, time to have some coffee. And now we cry because... What the fuck? Right, okay, come here. Where? Right. Search. Scratch. Trigger. Updates ports database. What's that? Right, okay, so what is it? Think. Well, scratch world zlib. Scratch install zlib. Then why did you say no? I'm gonna rip my face off. I'm gonna rip my face off. This is annoying. Is it actually gonna work this time? Please, I'm gonna start crying. Please, I'm going to start crying. Please work, I will start crying if you don't. It hasn't errored out yet, which is a good thing. It hasn't errored out yet, which is a good thing. Holy fuck, it's doing it. It's the correct answer. Oh no. I hope it works. Holy fuck, it's doing it. It's absolutely the fucking correct answer. If this works, I need to find the Venom Linux guy and go, thank you. Holy hell, that's the first time Stream Elements has done that. Wait, hang on. Took a minute and 20 seconds, so package... Well, scratch, search, font config? No way! Okay. Okay, that worked. Oh. Udon. So FC cache worked. Right, so I had... No, it was that one. CD, DC, B console. Vim, B console, lock-on. Right, what were you called? You were... Font is... Insert. It is going to be... Windows Terminal, Gwake, Mobile Xterm. Family, font. Okay, so... Just needed to make sure. Mez, low, LGS, NF. LGS, NF, size equals 12. Excuse me whilst I just rip my face off. Okay. Breathe. So. Mez, low, LGS, NF. Yeah, I'm just going to do QA and try again. So FC list. So it's just Meslow, LGF, NF. Okay. So Meslow, LGF, LGS, NF. So reboot. Yes, that would help, wouldn't it? Failed to start V console. System CTL status system EV console setup not service. Unable to find it. Why can you not find it? Because I'm a fucking dumbass, that's why. Well, the font's installed. That's why. Hold on, let me just type it out. So, Meslow, LGS, NF, style equals bold. Okay, so, cd etc, vim v console.conf. So what I need to do is Meslow LGS NF style equals bold. Right, quit. Reboot. Escape 1, enter. Root. Why are you failing? Ah, for fuck's sake. Clearly not in the fucking correct place. Why? Why? System CTL reboot restart. System DV console setup dots. ls user share kbd console fonts. CD console fonts. Latch 2 minus terminus 16. That's what I'm going to put it back to for now, because that works. And then we'll try and get it rebooted and figure it out from there. So it's lat 2 terminus 16. cd slash etc vim vconsole.conf font equals. Just need to make sure it works first, and then once this is alive and breathing, then we try again. Terminus 16. Okay, so it works. cd slash user share console fonts. That's a lot of plugins. Right, no. Stop distracting yourself, mate. Hello, Get Sneeze Place. How you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day, my friend. Oh, cool. Trust me, I'll break it for you. Trust me, mate, I'll break it. Are you Venom Linux man? Because if you are, Scratch package is now installed. Well, I saw X-Face there, so why can I install Zoom? Yes. Let's go for a desktop environment. And let's go for... what is it? Scratch or XFCE 4. KDE Plus. There's two. Oh my god, I'm so glad I don't have to install all of them now. Oh my god, there's 209. Oh, I am so glad I don't have to go through them all by hand now. Oh my. So if you're a long time viewer, hang on, let me get a tab. There we go. No, not quite happy with that. There we go. So, oh, for fuck's sake. Scratch install lib FFI. Okay, how do I get it to skip over the conflicts? No, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? No. There. Yes, hope and see. 209, yeah. So if you're a long-time viewer of the channel and of these streams, you know that last time I tried to install a desktop environment, I couldn't install it. And it took me about 4 weeks of these 3-hour streams try and get it to install. And for some unbeknownst reason to me, I couldn't install a desktop. No reason at all, just... Oh, I did. Everything was all correct. It just... What was it? It was X server didn't want to launch. There was no reason for the X server to not launch, because lib underscore hang on, I still have this file. I still have the file from the issues it was causing me last time. Where did I put it? So it was zinc underscore dri.so was causing me so many issues time and again. No reason. Just didn't want to work. Because Pancake Sparkle here had to send me zinc underscore dri.so to be able to, you know, just to try it out. So that got sent to me. I had to upload it to GitHub to then download it again. Because, yay, no desktop environment. And it just didn't want to work at all. Continually just didn't want to work. I'm not sure I still have that operating system. I think I got rid of it in anger. I think I deleted it in anger. Oh, don't tell me it's running the tests. Yeah, it just didn't want to work. And that was a horrible thing. I spent so long trying to get that to work. But I spent weeks trying to get it to work. And that is genuinely not an exaggeration. Pancake Sparkle and Ben here know that I spent weeks trying to get it to work. libtool __ finish /user /lib. Ha 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 ha. No. I'm not gonna fall for that. I'm not gonna fall for that. No, I'm not gonna fall for that one, my friend. Ah, bloody hell. I genuinely tried that on someone once. Because I was playing Battlefield 4 not too long ago, and they said, "Well, how do I unlock this thing?" And I just typed in the chat, press Alt plus F4, and they said, "Oh, wait a minute." I'm a shit fucker. Well, see, here's the thing. I now have to sit and wait, and I got to wait for... I'm not sure if it's using all 30 cores or not that's available to the virtual machine. I hope it is. But it's nice to know that you guys are all here and doing well, and whilst this is going, so I'm just going to sit and talk. It's a shame that NeoFetch is no longer being actively developed, because it hasn't been touched in years, and Dylan A. Raps has just posted on his GitHub, gone famming, which is fair. I just want to see if this works, because I want to be able to get this to a point where I can actually install this, or make it into an installable operating system. Imagine if this doesn't work, I'm gonna fucking scream. But I want to be able to make this into an installable operating system. Pancake Sparkle will be marked as one of the contributors, because the amount of help... Oh my god, the amount of help. Oh, I'm going to be so upset if it's not using 30 cores. Yes, I indeed do. I might have set this up as a command, I don't know. No, I have not. Yes, I have. Never mind. It works. That's cool. So that is my Discord. That is the Linux Panic Discord server, in which you can find me. No. No, I'm not going to do that. But I'm glad it's working now, because if this goes all the way through and works, I'm going to be so happy. Like, genuinely so happy. I just want to make this installable. Pancake, Sparkle, and Ben are going to be marked as contributors because they have helped me so much, and they absolutely deserve to be recognized because they've helped me massively. And also, I am somewhat of a famous person on GitHub, you might say. I have followers on GitHub. I genuinely have 17 followers on GitHub. Having followers on GitHub at all is a rarity, let alone anything else. Like, that's fucking cool. And I genuinely have not looked at. I've not. See, here's the. Wait, hang on. Where is it? That's better. Here's the thing. I don't watch other creators. It's like I spend so much time thinking about it and doing things with Linux. Yes, I know there was no video today because, frankly, the video I was making and actually did have made didn't work. Just no wiki. So I got a bit pissed off at that. I just don't spend time watching other creators, you know, because by the time I'm done thinking about what I want to do for YouTube, and have done for YouTube, it's just I can't be asked watching it. I don't watch YouTube anymore. Like, I know that sounds stupid, but I spend more time creating for YouTube than I actually do watching YouTube, which is frankly just the way it is nowadays. And like, yeah. I mean, tell you what, how about... Yeah, I did. I did as well. Right, tell you what, how about I look up YouTube Studio, shall we? We'll go to YouTube Studio, and then I'll give an example. I'm going to change this to light theme so you guys can see me still. Like, for example... I don't blame you. But like with YouTube, I just don't... I don't spend a lot of time watching it. Like, I spend more time looking at my statistics than I do look at anything else. Because, believe it or not, there is everybody between the age, or according to YouTube, between the ages of 13 and 65 plus watch me on YouTube on a monthly average, which is rather nice. Like, I like the fact that you guys are finding something useful out of my videos and actually getting something out of it, because I know I can be a bit rambly sometimes. Sometimes I can be a bit rambly, and this is true, like I am now. But it means a lot to know that my videos are being watched not only by every age group possible, it's also being used across the world, not only by the University of New South Wales in Australia. My videos have been watched by Microsoft, Samsung, in a university in West Virginia, Zorin, and a few other Linux distros, as well as Ubuntu FE, so Ubuntu France, Build Success Python, that's why it said test. And it just means a lot. And I want to keep making you guys happy and making actual usable videos. Like, for instance, Zorin.com, views from there. GarudaLinux.org, views from there. Ubuntu-user.de, Ubuntu from there. I don't know why it's did that. Oh, it might be a different version of Python. I don't know, because I noticed that's lowercase p, not capital P. It's like I'm getting more views from browsers than search engines that I didn't know exist. Psych. Scratch, search, Python 3. Scratch, search, SD-tar. Doesn't exist. Oh. $200, okay. BSD-tar. Ah, right, okay. No found. Why is he not found? Fuck. Fuck. I genuinely don't know. So, scratch, search, libAR, chive. Scratch, install libAR, chive. Archive, yes. Well, that's if I can get this to an installable state. I will credit the people that have helped me, and they will be marked as contributors. Because frankly, I couldn't have done this without your guys' help. Like, I know it's the all generic sappy, oh, I couldn't have done this without you guys. It is genuinely, I couldn't have done this without a lot of you guys, because like when I started doing these streams, not many people watched. Pancake Sparkle, to me, Pancake Sparkle didn't exist. You didn't exist, Guest Sneeze. A lot of the stream viewers didn't previously exist. You guys do now, and I love having you. Because I look forward to the streams, and I look forward to our chats, and this and that, and what have you. And it genuinely does mean a lot, and I am glad to have, there's BSD-tar, by the way. And I'm glad to have you all be part of this and help. And realistically, this is a group project. Like, Ben will get marked as contributor, Pancake will get marked as contributor. Guest Sneeze, you've helped me with this, so you'll get marked as contributor. There we go. Should now be 195. Oh, 190. Oh, no. Yeah, I know. Like, that was weird. No, I'm not the next Linus Torvalds. PCRE2. I know I don't have that installed. I know that for a fact. Like, I'm not the next. I am not the next Linus Torvalds. I am just a guy on the internet who likes teaching people Linux, and I'm glad I can help people. Like, yes, I know I've made my own scripts. Ben, you're going to get marked. If I can get this to an installable state, you'll get marked as a contributor. I do see Ninja going brrr. I think it's already done. Right as I say that, it's done. Cool. Scratch package work, glibs, SRC, glib. Okay, glib's done. What the fuck now? Go object introspection. No schema files found doing nothing. CMake. Scratch. Install CMake. But like, you guys, like, it's night. I enjoy doing these and coming back to it. Like, yeah, I know I probably shouldn't have stopped doing these when I was in Australia, but it was a bit hard, being entirely honest. It's something against you guys. It was just a bit hard. I think I have that one up, by the way, the Emmet Emmet 1 live ISO. Okay, it doesn't exist there. So EMETT1 next live ISO. Yeah, it's on GitHub. I'm just looking at it now. I have to figure out how to run this. I'll have to figure out how to run it. But I've found it now. But you guys help massively, and I enjoy making this because honestly, how often, like, genuinely, how often do you see someone on the internet making an operating system with the input of their supporters slash viewers slash this and that and the other? Like, how often do you actually see it? It's like, I know there's the occasional Linux from scratch stream from maybe someone bigger. It was like years ago, and they did it in one sitting. It's like, yay! Like, genuinely, how often do you see it? Like, honestly, how often do you see it? Yeah, I'm thinking I've probably got to do it like that, to be honest with you. Like, if I can get to the point of making this an installable ISO, like, genuinely can install it, I will actually look at booting off of it and trying to do it, try streaming off of it, if at all possible. Because wouldn't that be cool? Live streaming from an LFS system, from a system of my own creation. I just won't be able to restart. But I would, like, genuinely, I would love to reach the point of being able to just make it installable and go, hello world, here's another Linux operating system. Contributors, these people. I would love that. It's like, yeah, there's a weird one. There's a few things that I got update of my own, such as my wine install scripts. Like, I think I got to update them again, which is no surprise. because the way Wine HQ updates wine these days, I think I've got to redid that. That is an automatic reminder. That's got nothing to do with me. Although I did set it up, I should probably... See, here's the thing. I don't like pushing you guys to do all of the call to action-y stuff, you know? Like, I enjoy your interaction and stuff, but I don't feel guilty harping on about, oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment and hit the bell and become channel member and all this. Like, I feel guilty about it, but your guys' support goes so far. I mean, the channel's coming up to its third, believe it or not, it's coming up to its third birthday. That's insane. In November, it's the third birthday of Linux Panic. I've genuinely been going since 2021. As of last night, there was 187 videos I've done. 187. Insane, man. So it's just... It's insane to me. It really is. And I cannot... Where's my... Oh, there it is. I cannot thank you all enough for the comments, the likes, the subscriptions, the sitting and watching, the helping, the laughing at the angry ginger internet man as things go wrong, which they inevitably do because it's me. But I genuinely cannot thank you all, and it means so much to me. It genuinely does. It makes the work week better because it's something that I look forward to. I genuinely look forward to doing the streams and talking to you guys and finding out how you all are and talking about Linux and just life and finding more. Like, I know I sound like I'm repeating myself, and I probably am in one form or another. But it genuinely does mean a lot just to have you guys and sit and just be here. Because this time tomorrow, I'll be in work. Like, I'll be in my day job. Except it's not daytime, it's nighttime. This time tomorrow. Because ultimately, like, I need a job. I needed a job. I've been back from Australia for, what's the day today? What's the date? For a month, 1 month and 1 day. Hello, Model Citizen PS3. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Like, I've genuinely been back from Australia for 1 month and 1 day. My third week of work starts tomorrow. So it's not just one package, it's a group of packages. Currently we're making CMake because that's the one I need the most. Well, I need to install CMake, and then I'm trying to put... What's the time? I'm trying to put a desktop environment on my LFS system. So the hope is that I'll actually be able to do it, because I failed before. Hello, Level Zero. Welcome along. Yes, I am indeed am. Copyright. Oh, yeah, I know. I've tried so hard to get a desktop in the past. I know for a fact OpenSSL is already installed. No, OpenSSH is already installed. Like, I've tried LFS, I've tried XFace before. It just hasn't worked because it went. Xorg did not work. It was Xorg and Xserver just refused to work. And I still have the exact zinc_dri.so from Pancake Sparkle that I used the first time around. That I tried. Because it didn't work. Because it said fuck you. So fun. honestly, good on you. Good shot. Genuinely good try. Because trying that on the PS3, good attempt. Honestly, good attempt. Because it's no small thing, so power to you, my friend. It's like there are some things I want to do in the next 6 to 12 months that I think will change the way this channel looks. Like, I want to get, if you currently look at the little channel icon and then see how it's just Tux sat on a panic button, I want to get that changed to a different logo. Like, I know what I want to have it changed to. Hello, what's going on? Oh, CMAC, finally. Jesus Christ. CMAC, finally. Goddamn. Like, I know what I want to change it to, and it's going to cost me money, because I'm going to have to pay someone to do it. Because I do not have I do not have the skills of an artist. As I'm sure you're aware by looking at thumbnails from the channel. But I know the thumbnail, like video thumbnails, can make a huge difference, but they don't mean the world to me. It's more the content of the videos. So I do try to make a decent thumbnail. If I can't make one, I will just use a placeholder or something. But I'm glad I can actually do what I can to help you guys. And someone actually emailed me the other day. PPC 64. You know what it could have been? It could have been M4 or Gawk. That would be funny. Like, that would genuinely be funny. That would be a cool one to try and do. Yes, I also hope you're doing well, level 10, by the way. Level 0, not level 10. Oh my god, brain, level 0. There we go.
Level 1, I hope you are doing well, my friend.
Shoot me, what the hell? Yeah, I just want to keep going, keep doing what I can. Just make your guys' lives easier and do what I can along the way. I mean, where I am now on YouTube, that was a pipe dream. Genuinely, where I am now is a pipe dream. I thought there's no way I'll be anywhere near popular, and just 1 or 2 people may subscribe and take thing. And now here I am, with my most popular video being at 36,000 views, and I'm closer to 2,000 subscribers than I ever was. And that's mental to me. And I'm glad I can have an effect worldwide to help people. And it's just mental. Mental. I know that it's 480p. It's because I have the wrong Gphoto config, because I can't remember the Gphoto config I was using causes weird issues, and I don't know why. Like, it causes weird issues, and I don't know why. Like, it's a genuine DSLR camera, so I could do that with it. Well, thank you, Model Citizen. It's nice having you. Honestly, I'm just glad. It's like, I do genuinely feel guilty about stopping these streams whilst I was in Australia. It's just because time zones and jazz. Like, it's not good. CMake is bootstrapped now. Run Mac. Yes! CMake's done. CMake has installed. We are now building CMI lib. Very, very nice. Thank God. Right. This is showing me that it's not using all available cores though. So that's slightly problematic. Making Commodore 64. Hello, Dark Horse Productions. Yes, I am indeed compiling a desktop environment from scratch because this is also entirely my own operating system. Because if I do there we go. As we can see, it's OS kernel panic 1.0. I am just built different. Also, I saw the first one, but not the second one. Yeah, I need to figure out why it's only using one core, because I would much prefer... to have it be using all 30 cores it has available to it. I don't know why it's only using one, which is... Technically speaking, this is BLFS. There isn't really a tutorial for BLFS, it's just, what do you want to install? Yes, it's using CMake. Remember how I had to tar the tar directory using tar? And I had to... Yeah, I had to tar the tar directory using tar to be able to install tar. cd etc vim tar for the tar. Yes, I had to tar the tar package for the tar to be able to create tar. Yes. Scratch package dot. Yeah. Vim scratch package dot conf. I am on a Ryzen 9 5950X with 30 cores available to this virtual machine and a 32 core CPU. I'm gonna have to wait for this one thing to finish. Yeah, my Ryzen 9 5950. I tell you what, it's only using one core at the moment. That's the problem. But yes, I genuinely do have 30 cores available. I have 32 cores available to me, and I'm only using 30. Let me just grab OBS so I can show it to you. Screen capture this, and then just, as we can see here, AMD Ryzen 9 5950X 32 core at 3.4 gigahertz at that point in time. Again, yes, my CPU is running at 7 Celsius. Oh my God, not again. Yes, my CPU is running at 7 Celsius. My God. My desktop looks like Windows XP. Because I like the way Windows XP looks. Also, I'm green. Yeah, I just like the way the Windows XP looks. So, my desktop looks like Windows XP. My entire environment looks like Windows XP. Because I use Cinnamon. I just like the way Windows XP Luna looks. I don't like the way Windows XP Zune looks. Just Windows XP Luna. And of course, I like the Windows XP background. That has to be the most viewed picture in the entire world. Because at work, as I was walking past one of the computers in the storeroom at work, and I just saw Windows XP Professional. Huh? It is the year 2020 fucking 4. Why is Windows XP still professional? Hang on. That sentence hold on, that sentence doesn't make sense. Ah, yes. Windows XP is still professional. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Why is Windows XP still professional? Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Why is Windows XP still professional? In my opinion, Windows 7 was the last good at Windows, and I also install Arch without Arch install. I've only done Arch install like twice. Once for a video, well, once before I made a video, and then once for a video. Because I made sure that I was doing it right the first time around before I then did a video on it. Yes, I do. I use Arch Bro videos. I use Red Star OS, by the way. Like, genuinely, I would love to get a Steam Deck to do fuckery with. One-to-one copy. See, what I like about this one is, like, the reason why this is called Kernel Panic OS is because I put a poll up here on YouTube saying, and then I gave some choices, and then Kernel Panic OS won out because the first time I ever booted a Linux from scratch system using on stream back when I had a Ryzen 5 2400G. I've been on YouTube since November 2021. Yes, the first when I started with the streaming on YouTube, it was a Ryzen 5 2400G. I now have a Ryzen 9 5950X. It was gifted to me by a viewer. They know exactly who they are. I'm not going to say who they are, but they know exactly who they are. And they have helped massively. And they know they've helped massively. It's making the CMake. I can't get over that. It's making CMake with CMake. But like this Ryzen 9 5950X has helped massively. Because it genuinely used to take me 2 weeks to get through Chapter 8. Like, Chapter 8 is known as the Hell Chapter because it's so long and you've got to compile the majority of the operating system. And that used to take so long with my other CPU. Now, with this CPU, that can be done in like 2.5 hours. Like, it generally used to take 5, maybe 6 hours on the old CPU, which for these streams is two streams, because I do these streams for 3 hours, between the hours of 9 PM and midnight on a Saturday. Well, 9 PM and midnight, Greenwich Mean Time on midnight. Hello, Sneezy. Like, the reason I use Debian because of the stability, because I can't have building target CMake lib. I can't have things break on me because I now don't have enough time to mess around and fix things. I just need it to work every single time without fail. Because I'm at work for 44 hours a week. Well, for 48 hours a week. I work 44 of those hours because I get an hour break every day. It's like my Manjaro build. When I was using Manjaro, it just stopped booting one day. I I have done Linux from scratch for so long now. So when was my first Linux from scratch video? And I'll tell you how long ago I started with Linux from scratch. Okay, so content, then playlists. No 2 pages, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Like, I started back in September of 2022. Like, I started making Linux from scratch stuff back in 2022, which is a long time ago. I've nearly been doing this Linux from scratch stuff for 2 years now, which is a long ass time. Yes, this should now hopefully go faster once it sees the fact that this should hopefully go a lot faster once it's seen the config file with the new fact that it's been told to do it. Build 6As. Oh, trust me, it will be better because it was only using 1 core as opposed to 30. As we can see here, it's barely touching it. And there it is. Let's see what this says. Use Google Translate Pro, don't lie. Oh, I love that. You write in Russian. I can speak a bit of Finnish. Right, okay, so okay, now we also, bearing in mind, we have 30 cores available to it because it's using the number of processors available. Oh, why? Fuck, what's wrong? Scratch, install, glib. Scratch, search, glib2. Oh my god. Scratch. 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 There we go. Scratch. Install -r glib. What's wrong now? Scratch, search glib. Well, glib is installed. my god. Hang on. I don't know. Oh yeah, do it again. Scratch. Remove glib. Yes. Scratch. Install glib. Yes. I'm gonna cry. What the fuck? Okay, Sneezy, well, it's nice having you along, my friend. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Remember, don't die. Scratch, search, glib. So it's installed glib. Okay. So let's go back to that. 181. Scratch, search, glib dash 2.0. Scratch, search, new fetch, just for example. Fast fetch. Okay. So why the hell? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. What the hell? It's installed. Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry about it, mate. It's not. It's just nice to have you here. So that works. Scratch files glib. Okay, so glib is installed. Scratch missing dep. Glib. Scratch install g object introspection. G object introspection. Scratch install -c GOBJECT INTROSPECTION. glib 2 is installed. So I'm going to try and install glibc, see if that makes a difference. It shouldn't. It really shouldn't make a difference at all. However, it's me, and it's likely to be just that. What about that? Nope, it was an error. It was an error on my behalf, because I thought something would work when it did not work, because I was... Build failed. That's a new error. Scratch, install TZ data. Why is time zone data failing? Short of installing glib manually, but then again, I'm not sure if it's gonna work with this or not. I mean, I can try. I'm definitely going to try it because, frankly, I'm not sure what else is left. 181. Okay, let's try that. Right. Okay. We're gonna have to do it like that, then, aren't we? Thank God for multiple TTYs. Hang on, did that say I had an issue with 2. glib 2.0 not found? And then if I do... There's a different version of glib available. So we get https:// I will look into that then. Depends on how long this takes. Download.gnome.org/sources/glib/2.78/glib-2.78.4.tar.xz. And we want to do the patch for it, so Linux from scratch.org/patches/blfs/12.1/glib skip warnings-1.patch. Okay. So tar-xvf glib C or glib. CD glib. Now what to do patch hyphen capital N lowercase p number 1 hyphen I dot slash glib skip warnings. Skip warnings.1.patch. Right, so make directory build cd build mason setup dot backslash and then hyphen prefix equals /user backslash hyphen build type equals release. So build type equals release backslash enter, and then hyphen capital D man equals true, and ninja Right. Something failed there. Okay. What was it? Scratch. Search PCRE2. Scratch. Scratch install -c PCRE2. Yes. Don't you dare cause me another issue with glib. Look right. Yeah, no, because I can see it now. Warning. Okay, so that's fine. So libxslt. So libxslt. Okay. Okay. Appears to be going fine. The reason why I didn't do them because I forgot. It's under the libxslt and PCRE2 are under the recommended sections of the packages. Now, as we know, the recommended packages are not recommended, they're mandatory. They need to be adjusted as such and set to mandatory. I will rip my face off if I have to deal with that once again. Not fun. Yeah, I think it is genuinely using multiple cores. It looks like it, which is good. I'm happy for that, thank God. Yeah. libxml. Oh, the fun we have had. And the fun we've had with Linux from scratch. But I'm genuinely glad something like this exists, you know. Because it's pretty cool. As torturous as it can be. Because believe me, it's torturous. It's so very torturous. I'm glad something like this actually exists. Because it's actually rather cool. And the fact that it works when done correctly is rather neat. libxslt and PCRE2 are installed. Now, I wonder... Build stopped, because G-object introspection, isn't it? No, it's not. The amount of false, yep. Oh, that was quick. That was really bloody quick. That was really quick. Okay, that's cool. Right, so... Scratch... Install glib. $175, yeah. Oh, hello. Yes! It's working. Because G object introspection is now installed. Yes! Nice! Finally! And by the speed of things, it looks like it's using multiple cores. And by the way the top is responding, the answer is yes, it is. Thank God. Get you some. Yes, it's nice having all 30 of my cores being utilized. I left 2 for the host system just so I could stream it. So 32 cores for this, well, 30 cores for this. Like, I know this is not realistic to what you would have on your system. Like, it's nowhere near realistic. Just casually having a 32 core CPU. It's not realistic. But it's nice having it. Because it saves me time, and it saves you guys time as well. Because you get answers to stuff quicker, instead of it taking 44 minutes to compile one package on 4 cores. Yeah, that's genuinely how long it took to compile a package on the old CPU. Just 44 minutes for one package. It was a nightmare. Genuinely a nightmare. Vimish. VM-sish. Okay, what's next? Build success XML parser. I keep seeing a load of build successes, which is good. Okay. Oh, that's definitely compiling something. Oh, fuck. That was definitely compiling something, just red. Red across the board, just whomp. It's definitely compiling something. Which I very much love, it's just red. Viola. Ooh. So I am glad that I changed it to use all cores. Xorg Proto, yep, I remember that one. 65 watts, I think it is. Ryzen 9 5950X. Hey, what? Give me. I'll tell you. 105 watts. Sorry. 105 watt TDP, and that's the default because my motherboard does not support anything higher. My motherboard is the limitation, and it says liquid cooler recommended for optimal performance. I use a tower cooler, and it keeps that thing cold. As you can see, well, I'm not sure if you're watching earlier when I showed it off, but for some reason, NeoFetch reported that my CPU was doing 7.7 degrees Celsius. Because yes, 7.7 degrees Celsius. Because yes. I've got no idea what the fuck caused that. I really don't. Couldn't open the directory M4, no such file or directory. Oh, that might be a problem. There might be a problem there. Oh yeah, and according to HiFetch, there are 32 zero-core CPUs. There are 30 zero-core CPUs attached to this thing. And I love that. Fucked up. I know what it is, don't worry about it. Yes. 30 zero-core CPUs. Would you like them? Here they are, they're nothing. Very nice. Yeah, It's because I changed how it was reported in the new fetch config. So it's just, here is no CPUs. Here is an empty CPU. It is but a smooth brain. The brain looks like a chicken thigh. Just no wrinkles. Just smooth brain. I don't know how I did that. I genuinely don't know how I did that. But I know why. It's because I changed it from one method of registering to another. So that's why it went. Right, so I saw some more X-Face stuff there. libext. Yeah, that's been done. I remember that. libext's done. Okay, good. What's now? libx fixes, which looks like it's done. Anytime something new downloads, it's working. So there's libxi, which is good. It's moving too fast. Right, there's Ninja. Done. ATSPI Core 2. I remember that one because that's a mouthful. Pixman. If memory serves me correctly, Pixman was also some issue caused some of the things that caused issues last time round. It installed correctly this time. Good stuff. Very happy. Okay. There's LZO. And there's Cairo. We're actually now downloading Cairo because LZO-2.10-1 is installed. That appears to be following the major minor patch versioning method. So the first number is the major, second number is the patch, third number is the minor version. So 2.10.-1 or -1 would be the minor. The last number minor, the middle would be the major, and the first middle minor, first major. What's Ninja doing this time? It is Mason is compiling Ninja. Even though I already have Ninja. That's weird. Strange. Very strange. Okay, half buzzer's done. Good. Half buzzer's a pain in the ass. Okay, that's done. What's it downloading now? I don't know. I don't know what it's doing now. Pango. Pango was a fun one. That's a weird. It's got a strange name, so that's why I remember it. Pango. Because I then associate it with Pango breadcrumbs. libtiff. It's having a bit of a tiff visit. Kill me. Why did I do that? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Don't ask you. Shed mime, libxranda. Okay. Please install fine this time round because I had issues with it the first time round. It did. LLVM. Okay, that's installing. Okay. Targeting AMD GPU. Good. Try default parallel jobs. Try default parallel jobs. Okay. So that explains why it's flying through. Ah, yes, I remember. Last time I had to do one of these packages. Remember how I had to attach a 100 gigabyte swap disk to the virtual machine? Because for some reason, even though it had 16 gigs of RAM, it wasn't enough. It needed 38 gigs of RAM for some reason. So, swap disk. I just attached for those who don't know and wasn't watching, I attached a 100 gigabyte swap disk because virtual machine kept restarting for no reason. Kept just, well, forced me to log out and back in again. So I attached a 100 gigabyte swap disk, told something to start compiling, swapped to another terminal and then just watched as the swap bar kept getting more full and full and full and full. Because I had 16 gigs of RAM. That got instantly filled up. And then the swap bar just got 32% of no. It filled up 24 gigs? No, 22 gigs. Yeah, 22 gigs. For a total of 38 gigs of RAM usage. Yeah, I would not have had enough. There's not enough RAM in here to have done that by itself. It needed 100. It needed that 100 gig swap space because I had no idea how much it was going to ask for. So once that package was compiled, I installed it and then just detached the swap disk and gave my system the space back. Because yes, I genuinely don't know why I did that. Like, we still don't know to this day why I did that. Is that why things are starting to get hot in here? That might explain it. No, the temporary was destroyed at the end of the full expression. Concern. Yeah, that was definitely an interesting one. Definitely an interesting one. But once it was done... Oh, hang on. Uh-oh. I am reading that right when it said it was using 71 gigs of RAM, right? There is not 71 gigs of RAM attached to this fucking system. What? Huh? Uh-oh. There it is. There it is. Out of memory. It was using 71 gigs of... There's not 71 gigs of RAM attached to the fucking computer, let alone the virtual machine. What the fuck? Okay. Scratch, install LLVM. I could see LLVM. Okay. 17 gigs. 18 gigs. Yeah, it's basically doing a Chrome. There's 15 gigs. That's a lot of red. 33 gigs of RAM. That doesn't exist. 34 gigs of RAM. What? What the fuck? 38 gigs of RAM. There isn't even 38 gigs of RAM in the system. What the fuck? 43 gigs of RAM. No, that's not right. Oh god. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? This is weird. I might have to do that swap disk again. Let me just make sure I've got enough space. I need to make sure I've got enough space. What the fuck? How much free space do I have? Oh yeah, I've got enough. 61 gigs of RAM. Okay. Do you care to explain to me why you're using, oh, I don't know, 58 gigs of RAM, maybe? There isn't that many fucking gigs of RAM attached to this bloody system. There's 60. You know, I think I need to get more RAM for my system. Because why is it using 62% or 62 gigs of RAM? It's either using 62 gigs of RAM or 62%. No, it's not. That's actually gigs of RAM. Okay, so that's 67% or 67 gigs of RAM. I shouldn't be doing that. That's 71. That 69. Nice. $76. $59. Uh-oh. My screen's getting bright. My screen's getting brighter as more and more red's filling up. There's 80. There's 81. There's 93. Out of memory. Oh, that's funny. Right, hang on. Shut down now. I've got to add a disk and add it as swap. Add hardware. Storage. $100 gigs. Disk device. VirtIO. Advanced settings. Finish. Reboot the system. Okay, so where is it? Up. Actually, Linux from scratch. LFS. Read online. System D. Ah, yes. Make swap /dev /vdb. Yeah, that was it. vdb. I hope if I could spell swap correctly. sbin /swap on /dev /vdb. vdb. Okay. So yes. There's the swap disk. 100 gigs. God. Oh God, here we go. Right. Let's get it on. There's 27 gigs. There's 15. Uh-oh. Yeah, you can really tell my CPU's using when it's using a lot of its cores. Oh no. Well, it is working because it's not shown the out of memory. There's 500 of the 2700 processors done. It doesn't show up. The out of memory killer doesn't show up when it works. There's 34 gigs of RAM. There are not 34 gigs of RAM available for this system. $48. $51. $57. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 860. So it's around about the 1200 package. Thank you very much for the subscription, Jay. Hope you're having a wonderful day, my friend. Would that explain why my phone buzzed? I think it would. Would that explain why my phone buzzed? No, it would not. That's a good point. I need to put my phone on charge. There's 62. 55. 57. 69. Nice. Okay, so it's around about here. LLVM just goes and dies. Come on, come on, come on. 68. 74. Now. It'll be now. 68. 49. 54. 48. Screen's becoming more red, which means now's the time it just goes. 79. 80. Because it hasn't hit the peak, now it will. 93. That's fine. It's fine. There's the swap, because it ran out of stack space. There's the swap. 1.4. 1.9. 2.0. Why does it think it's using 102 gigs of... Why does it think it was using 101 gigs of RAM? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so it's around about the 1300 packages. Okay. Casually thinking it's using 102 gigs of RAM. This system only has 32 in it. It thinks it was using 102, not 32. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. There's 5.3. I know it's saying 98 gigs of actual RAM. That was at 99 gigs of RAM. Uh-oh, something's dying and I don't know what it is. Because I just saw dying. Oh no, that's no good. That's no good. Oh no. Oh no. 95 gigs. 102. 103. 107. 6. 105. 100 and... Yeah, God. Even if it's like that, it's still funny just to look at it like this. Well, here's the thing. It's a gig column, so it shouldn't be using percentages. And here's a better question. Why does LLVM just ram out? Is it done? Almost. Like, why does LLVM just run out of memory? That's a better question. Also, this is inspiring me to look at more RAM. Do 32 gig sticks exist? No, they do not. Yes, they do. Okay, so there is a Crucial Crow DDR4 64 gig kit that comes in 2 sticks of 32. No. I don't have the money. That is 2 days worth of work in scorching hot temperatures to get a full 128 gigs of RAM. No. 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 Oops. Right, well, this one's nearly done. Okay, come on. Come on, brother. Okay, so that is now less than 600 packages. I think whatever it was doing, it's stopped dying. Yeah, I think whatever it's done, it's just stopped dying now, which is good. Object to YAML. Yeah, milliliters. Daggicell.inc. AMD GPU gen registered bank.inc. Okay, that's better. So it's just doing building of packages now, that's fine. Good, I can live with that. Why? Honestly, I've got no idea why the hell it was doing that. But I do need to get more RAM though. That is an indicator that 32 gigs of RAM for the host system is not enough these days. God, can you imagine 32 gigs of RAM not being enough? What? Okay, now. Yeah, that's definitely a thought, alright. God damn, imagine that. 64 gigs of RAM no longer being enough. Yeah, that's a strange one. That's not something I ever expected. Oh, no. No. Don't worry about it. No, you don't have to. It's just, I know it's 2 days worth of work. Because, luckily for me, I get paid weekly at work, but there are things I need to pay for, such as flights back to Australia and visa for Australia, because I want to go back to Australia. Long story short, I have... Right. Pancake Sparkle knows I am excellent at breaking things. The reason I had to leave Australia was because the Australian immigration system could not find me. As in, I went to apply for a new visa, and it said, we cannot continue with your visa application because we are unable to verify your location. How did I get through the border in Sydney then? How did I walk through customs if you don't know where I am? What? What? That's a lot of... Yeah, that was... That was... That was an interesting time. Just... No comprende, no existi. You no exist. Get out of country, you no exist. So I had to leave the country. I left just... It's... I have been left Australia for 1 month, 1 day. I don't know. I think it needs to do a final mix-up. It looks like it's still doing something. Yeah, it's still doing something for LLVM. There it is. Right. So I'm going to remove the swap and give it back to the system. I'm removing the swap disk and giving it back to the system. Disk 2, remove. Delete associated storage file. No! Actually, yes! Remove that. Yes. Okay, problem solved. Right. Ah, only 133 packages left to install. That's not bad. Python 3 markup safe. Oh, God. Python 3 markup safe. 2.1.5. Pip install -u markup safe. Yes. Yes, it is. Why? CD this? No, I can't remember it now. CD etc. Yep. CD system CTL or system D. CD network. Why did it change to ETH0? Huh? Copy ENP 8S02 ETH0.link. And then vim ETH0.link. ETH0. I don't know why I did that. Clear. Now what I need to do is systemctl restart system D networked. CTL restart system D networked. ETH0 didn't exist before 2 restarts ago. God. Pancake, what do we do to fix this? Nothing. Nothing at all. I'm going to try that. So system CTL restart system D networked. It might be up, but there's yay. System CTL status system D networked. No IP address. System CTL restart system D networked. Why did it change to 80? Nothing's changed. Nothing has changed. This happens more times than I would like to say. Why? Why? Actually, why? So there's no reason. Absolutely no reason. I haven't touched the bridge. So it is working. Hang on. Hang on, I've just changed something. Like, actually, what the fuck? Where is it? Where is the links actually sat? Like, where is the actual link file for ETH0 sat? Not that, but the actual stuff for it. Well, you put me there, you idiot. So, cd this config. That. Oh my fucking god. Insert 254. No. Oh my fucking god. 254. Save. Reboot. I just want to try this first and then see if it works. Nope. Right, I'll show you. Screw it. Let's try that. Why does that work? System CTL restart system D networked. Vim. System CTL restart system D network. System CTL data system D networked. That did nothing. That did absolutely fucking nothing. CD /etc. CD says config. Copy eth02 enp8s0.link. System CTL data or system CTL restart system D networked. System CTL status system D networked. Ah. Yep. I did just now. Just rebooted that fast. And that's where we're going to be calling it for today because we're 13 minutes over our time. We'll try one more thing. Link negotiation, automatic, save, save. Oh my fucking god. Right. Add new device. Bridge. Bridge connection. Automatic. Yes, yes, yes. Save. What about E1000D? Force off. Force on. Right. Name. Change it to bridge. Because that clearly didn't work. Shut down now. Right. Bridge. Device model. Vert.io. Bridge name. BRIDGE. Do you want to fucking try that again, mate? Oh, there fucking well is, mate. Let's try bridge 0 then, seeing as you want to fucking cry for no reason. Apply. Okay. ENP test 0. So CD ETH 0. Vim ETH 0.link. Right, so that's correct. System TTL restart. System D networked. Retard. System CTL. System CTL status. System D network. Okay. CD system D. CD network. Vim 10. ETH 0. Imagine if that was fucking it. Imagine if that was it. It was not. It was not. I gotta fucking cry. Where is it? Where did you? So IP link. Set dev. ETH 0. Yeah, I know. That's what I was looking at now, actually. Right. Shut down. Shut down now. Bridge device name ENP8S 8S0. What? Not sure it's going to work somehow. Alright, I'll try the 1000D. Because at this point, I'm going to just shove my head through a fucking wall. Because what in the actual bell-ending fuck is it doing? Because going back to NAT gives it an IP address. However, the virtual machine can't fucking see it. Because fuck me, I guess. Guess what? It don't fucking work. Oh, I just don't know. I don't know. I don't fucking know, like. I have one more idea. VirtIO bridge ENP8S0. Y XML start. VNet 13 operation not support. Well, there is no VNet 13, mate. Do you want to try again with that shit? For fuck's sake. Tell you what, we'll try this next time because I'm tired of this. Hang on, VIRBR0. We'll try this one more time, just out of for fuck's sake. Hypervisor default. Apply. Just one last try. I'll try that then. Yay! No device. Hold on, I know why. Ignore me. But for the default, no. Why did it do the RCI 8391? 8139, because that's what's on my that's what my motherboard is. Okay, so link -s deb null the etc system D network 99 default dot link. Failed to create symbolic link. It's fine. Nope. Hello, Michael Clark. I just like to type out the directories myself. That's preferably why. Also, God damn it. It worked earlier. Right, so it's not being done there. You know what? We'll come back to this next time. We're done. Right. Anyway, those of whom who love watching, if you're not already followed, maybe consider no, hang on. If you're not subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. Hit the like button if you like the video. Dislike it if you dislike it. They both seem to work, even though you can only see one of them. Maybe consider becoming a channel member, where you can help support me for as little as 99 pence a month. And you get early access to videos, a little badge next to your name that says you support me, as well as mentions at the start of videos with me thanking you. Anyway, to those of whom who love watching, I hope you have a good day, good evening, good night, good whatever it is, wherever you are. Goodbye.